to show you how to change a Husqvarna 450 Rancher X Cut 20-inch. We got this from Lowe's. It's a 80 drive lengths. Pitch is 3.325. And you're gonna take this tool that you got with the chainsaw. You're gonna take out this bolt from right here. Then you're gonna take this off. Make sure your brake is forward. And then you're gonna get your chain and make sure the arrows are facing this way. And then you're gonna put it onto here to where it moves. Okay, no, it does have to go back there. Well, we're gonna do it like this. Then you're gonna line this up properly. There we go. There we go. Then you're gonna pull your blade forward and start aligning these teeth up with it. Pull your chain forward, align. Make sure you get these all aligned. It's better to have a vise, because then your chainsaw isn't going to be moving. Once it's all aligned, it'll all work well. You're going to take this, you're going to place it right back on there. You're going to take your bolt, you're going to screw it on just a little bit. And then you're going to take this, and there's a little prong down here. You're going to push back and you're going to see it fall into place. You're going to tighten this. And then if you can see, your chain will be loose for a little bit. You're going to take this and you're going to tighten it to where when you pull it, the teeth barely comes out. And that is how you change the chain on a Husqvarna 450 Rancher X Cut. Remember, it's a 20-inch 80 link drive with a pitch of 0.325. And then that's all you got to do. Thank you and have a good day.